This is the best crockpot chicken pasta recipe, and it is perfect for a busy night. Start by adding about 3 pounds of trimmed boneless chicken breasts or thighs to a crockpot. Season the chicken with your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Add a full bottle of Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan Garlic sauce. This sauce is very flavorful, and while I don't personally think it's spicy, it definitely has a kick to it. Fill the empty bottle with heavy whipping cream and pour it over the chicken. Add a bit more heavy whipping cream to the bottle and shake it up to get as much of the leftover sauce as you can. Then cube a block of cream cheese and place the cubes into the crockpot. Add a generous sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. I typically sprinkle it until it's covering most of the top layer. Then I really lightly stir it up, mostly to get it only slightly blended. Cover it and cook on low for about 6 hours, and do not open the crockpot lid. Once it's close to finishing up, cook a box of penne pasta. Drain your pasta and set aside while you shred the chicken. Shredding the chicken is insanely easy and can be done quickly with 2 forks. Once the chicken is shredded, begin adding your noodles. I'd like to add a little at a time to ensure the pasta doesn't become too dry, but I typically use at or around a full box. Mix it up really well and then top with another layer of Parmesan cheese. Close the lid for a few minutes to melt the cheese, and then it is ready to serve, and it is so good.